Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix freezing and stuttering issues in Starfield. Okay, first things first, open your Steam library and locate the game. Right-click on Starfield and go to Properties, select Local Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Outdated graphic drivers can lead to stuttering. So what you want to do is to visit the official page or official website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers compatible with your system. Lower the graphics settings within the game's option menu, reducing settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can alleviate the strain on your hardware and potentially mitigate crashes. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, consider disabling these overclocks. Overclocking can sometimes lead to instability, causing low performance in games like Starfield. Ensure your operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches, because sometimes system updates fix compatibility issues that can trigger game stuttering in Starfield. Also, excessive heat can cause crashes and lower performance in games. Use monitoring software to keep tracking of your CPU and GPU temperatures. If temperatures are abnormally high, consider improving your system's cooling. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Missing or corrupted DirectX files and Visual C++ redistributables can lead to Starfield stuttering. Download and install the latest versions from official Microsoft sources. Lastly, running the game with administrators privileges can sometimes resolve crashes related to permissions. So what you want to do is to right-click on the game's executable file and choose Run as Administrator. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix freezing and stuttering issues in Starfield. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.